Hello everyone, my name is Deepak and welcome to my channel. Today we talk about a new product. It's called Rapify Local. So first of all, check the bonus page that I provide you absolutely free. So this is my bonus page. Here you can see some details about the product Rapify Local, and here some bonuses that I provide you absolutely free. So we talk about the bonuses after some time. So first of all, talk about the product. So what is Rapify Local? So Rapify Local is the drag and drop website building platform where you can create beautiful landing pages, websites and sales pages using just drag and drop feature. It's easier than other platforms, quickest site building ever, and fully featured drag and drop builder. It's SEO optimized and fully responsive. So next talk about the creator. So creator of the product is Jack Hoffman. He is a very well known builder. So who is this product for? If you are a freelancer, then you can create websites with help of this platform in just minutes for your clients. If you are a affiliate or a CPA marketer, then you can create lead capture pages and landing pages with this platform. If you are a creator of the product, then you can create say very good sales pages with this platform. So next talk about the why Rapify. Here you can see no installation requirement, no designing skills requirement, no programming and coding skills requirement. It's fully drag and drop, smart menu management, mega library, responsive and SEO optimized. It's fast load and speed, etc. Sales page overview. In this sales page you got a introduction video and some details about the product that I already provide you in this video. And here you can see building a local website in Rapify Local for your clients is as simple as 1 2 3. First step, log in into your Rapify dashboard and pick a template. Make a few simple clicks and drag and drop to customize. Publish your complete site with a few clicks and export it to anywhere. And here some videos of Rapify interface. And here a button to get access to the Rapify. Click here and access the Rapify Local. So let's talk about these bonuses that I provide you absolutely free. So first bonus is viral traffic generation. In this ebook you got 21 ways to drive traffic on your website and its value up to $50, but I provide you it's free. So second bonus is a video course how to drive traffic on your websites and its value $180. Third bonus is a traffic generation ebook. Here you can see its value is $99. And fourth bonus is WordPress plugin confidential. Its value $159, but I can but I provide you it's fully free. How to get bonuses? First of all, click the link in description below and you can uh, reach my bonus page, and you click here to secure your copy and bonuses. Click here and purchase the Rapify local, and you can after purchases you can see this button access affiliate bonus, or you can receive a email to access the affiliate bonuses after purchasing. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel for more products review, and thank you.